Hello friends, good day to you all and welcome back to Focus Marine Agency channel. Today we are going to see a 20 by 8 feet container that is fabricated into a plain office cabin. We have shown lot of videos about this previously, but there is a small change in this project. Usually we make a door of 7 by 3 feet size at the side of the container, but here our customer requested for a 7 by 5 feet sized double door in the front of the container. So we have done one metal door and one semi-glass door for safety purposes. Inside we have done MDF paneling. We can also go for cement fiber board or polymer wooden sheet or any other material if that is requested by the customer. One of the biggest advantage in going for container fabricated office cabin is time. We can get the completed work in hand by a week. All you have to do is transport the container to your site and provide EB connection to start using it. So viewers, if you need any fabricated containers like office cabin, storage place, labor stay cabin or for any other purposes, do contact us. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.